In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access drafter pages in WordPress. Let's get started and make this process as seamless as possible. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the wordpress.com website. It's a central hub for managing your site, and you can do a lot from there, including accessing your drafter pages, which we'll delve into today. Once you're on wordpress.com, the next step is logging in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to begin the process. This will take you to the login page where you'll have various options to sign in. For ease and security, we recommend choosing Continue with Google. This option speeds up the process, especially if you're logged into your Google account already. After you select Continue with Google, a window will pop up displaying your Google accounts. Here, simply choose the one associated with your WordPress site. If you're not already logged into Google, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you've selected your account, you'll be redirected back to wordpress.com, logged in and ready to proceed. Now that you're inside the WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the right panel where you'll see quick links. Among these, you'll find the option Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into the site editor, the place for all of your content management tasks. In the site editor, focus on the left-hand panel where you'll see a list of options. Click on Pages, which will provide an overview of all your site's pages, both published and in draft form. You're nearly there, just a couple more clicks and you'll have access to those drafter pages. With the Pages section open, look for the label Drafts. Click on it and voila! You're now inside the Drafter Pages Editor section. Here you can review all pages that are in draft status. This is incredibly useful for organizing and preparing content that's not quite ready to be published yet. You have the flexibility to edit these pages until they're perfect and ready for the public eye. That concludes our walkthrough on accessing drafter pages in WordPress. Following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly manage your drafts, review ongoing projects, and ensure everything is on track for publication. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging on WordPress. Keep experimenting, because the more you explore, the more you learn, and the more compelling your WordPress site will be for your audience.